So as you guys know, one of our favorite features to use in almost every kitchen we do is a galley sink.
So not only is the galley sink beautiful and aesthetically pleasing, but it's super functional. It comes with all of these inserts and accessories that slide within the sink. You have a strainer, a cutting board, you can actually serve out of the sink, and you also have these really fun little containers so you can set up a potato bar.
I know for us with large families, sometimes it's really nice to put out a kind of build your own station, and this sink is actually perfect for that, which is one of the reasons I love it. It's often used for a taco bar, or even when the kids have friends over, like an ice cream station setup. The mess stays in the sink and not all over your counter, which I am all about.
Of course, we want everything to be beautiful, but it has to function for the family. So this is a great way to cook alongside your friend, your spouse, your kids. You each have your own workspace, but you can be prepping and cooking together. And it's great, they come in different sizes. So if you've got extra real estate for an extra long one, you can go up to 7 feet long, or you can stay a little more compact, but really get the functionality of the galley sink.